This is Blake Texotic reporting in from Denton County Jail. Y'all gotta get me out of here. I've been hustling wild animals for almost 28 years.
It's Blake Texotic here, and I'll tell you, God damn, I'm never gonna financially recover from this. It's Blake Texotic here, and we're about to feed some more of these big cats. Texas, we don't have, you know, the above ground cats. We got the big catfish, because we eat them. Funds have been running real low here. I don't know that I'm gonna financially recover from this. But we're still gonna hand feed some of these big cats. I would try this at home. I'm gonna see if I can't get me one here. Oh, you goddamn son of a bitch! Quit rolling! Why don't you help me? You don't got me. Get my gun. It's pointed at me. Oh man, this got me thinking. I had this old boy come up to me and he was like, "Hey, Blake Texotic, that's a nice mullet you got there." I thought, wow, you just gonna approach me in the McDonald's parking lot like that and tell me that? I look at him and I says, hell, you ain't that straight. So I says to him, I says, why don't you come work for me, boy? Man, I can't be mad at him. Hell, I do me all the time.
Bigfoot parts. I hear that talk about that boy. They say he whooped up on me on the sanctuary. Now we all know that ain't true. Come on now, he snuck me and I didn't even feel it in my bad leg. Little pussy. I never even liked him.
Hey, white boy,
you
get
can
off
see
the goddamn phone. I need to call my lawyer.
Oh man, today's been one of them days. God dang. Looks like we're gonna have to take off to Arkansas.
What?
Yeah.
We got everything going here. Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, Edel's pregnant. One of the dogs.
So?
Stoney got her pregnant.
Best
That is
better.
her son. And we don't condone that on our ranch. I tried to get Joe Exotic's place, but that fucking poser with the do-rag, he done already copped it, I guess. You know, the whole part about this is Edel's having her own grandchildren again. I'm never gonna financially recover from this. And I'll tell you one thing about Joe Exotic that's good. He didn't have no gosh dang kids. He gotta be worried like me about knocking up some chick. I mean, what's he gonna do, get pregnant? Come on now. What's he gonna do, get one of his buddies pregnant? He might get pregnant, Joe. Then again, he might get pregnant in jail. God dang it. God dang, if I was a tiger, I would put a bullet in my head a long time ago. Yeah, it's feeding time here. Oh, hold on, goddamn. Hold on, you goddamn son of a bitch. Someone get the fire hose.
I tell you what's the hardest in here. It's all these dudes tugging on my mullet. It's harder than a lumberyard in here, and I just have no place to
boy,
run.
get in here. I want to bust your head,
It's worse
baby.
than being an animal trapped up in a cage. Y'all gotta get me out of here.